What's going on, people? Welcome back to the HPP with your narrator, ABC. The Human Performance Project. Today we are doing some motorcycle customization. So the mirrors have been a huge struggle on this thing, and you would think, why in the hell is that? How would that be possibly a struggle in changing accessories on your motorcycle? Well, the bar end skull mirrors that I was going to replace these original factory mirrors with wouldn't fit because my handlebars are an obscure size. So I had to send those back. Found these little babies. They're screw-in type mirrors like the factory mirrors were. But guess what? The hardware and the post size and thread pitch is totally different. So I just pulled out all the stops. And what we did was I got some metal cutting blades for the Dremel. I cut the threaded piece off of the factory mirrors, and we're going to solder it on the end of these new mirrors so that they will fit on the handlebars. In theory, allegedly. So we're waiting on the soldering tool to heat up, and I should probably figure out an intelligent way to support these mirrors somehow so I can do the soldering. But we have our I forget what this stuff is called, brain fart right now. The rosin, soldering rosin, with the flux rosin heating up over there. And so I'll give you guys an update video here in just a moment. We'll see if I either fuck up 2 pairs of mirrors or if I solder it perfectly, and am stoked on the result. Fingers crossed.